Have you ever accidentally lost some copied text in Windows? Now Windows 10 offers a history of the text and images you previously copied via the new Cloud Clipboard feature. It'll even let you pin frequently used content to the clipboard permanently. Here's how to use Windows 10's new Cloud Clipboard feature. To bring up the menu, start by hitting the Windows key and V. This will bring up the menu, and here you can see a selection of text and images that have previously been copied on the system. To select some text, left-click on the item of interest, and that should then place that ready to be pasted. As you can see, if you open up a new program, you just hit Ctrl+V, will bring up the text that was copied out of the Cloud Clipboard menu. The Cloud Clipboard can also allow you to pin text and images that you want to be permanently available between sessions. So if you restart your machine, that content will still be available for you to paste. To do so, just mouse over this pin icon here and left click, and you'll see there that now it's gone to this diagonal position. This indicates that this content, this text in this instance, is now pasted and pinned into the Cloud Clipboard menu, so it will be available permanently between different computing sessions. To unpin, you just once again left click on the pin icon, and that is now unpinned from the menu. To delete an entrance from the menu, just go up to the top right to this cross icon, left click, and that's gone. To clear everything from the menu, come up to clear all and hit that, and now you've emptied the Cloud Clipboard. To change the settings for the Cloud Clipboard menu, go down to the Start menu, left click, go to the Settings icon, go up to System, and go down to Clipboard. Here you can see all of the options for setting up the Cloud Clipboard. They're fairly self-explanatory. To toggle clipboard history on or off, just hit this toggle button underneath the heading Clipboard History. To sync across devices, you may have a button labelled Get Started sitting just underneath this heading. Hit that button and you can set up your Microsoft account to sync the Cloud Clipboard across different devices when you're logged in on that account. Again, it's a fairly straightforward process. Finally, to clear the clipboard data, come down to this button here, Clear, and left click there, and you can clear everything out of the Cloud Clipboard. I hope you found this tutorial useful.